In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Google Colab Notebook from your Google Drive. It's a straightforward process, and if you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started by preparing your file. First, make sure you've got your Jupyter Notebook saved on your computer. It should be in the .ipynb format. If you haven't done that yet, just navigate to wherever you've been working on your notebook and save it locally. Once that's done, we can move on to the next step. The next step is to upload that notebook to your Google Drive. Navigate to your Google Drive account. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in drive.google.com. If you're not already logged into your Google account, make sure to do so before proceeding. When you're in your Google Drive, you'll want to look for the New button, typically located on the left side of the screen. Click on that button, a drop-down menu will appear, and from there select File Upload. This will open up a file dialog window on your computer. Now, here's where you find your notebook file. Navigate to the folder where you saved the .ipynb file. Click on the file, and then click the Open button. Your notebook will now start uploading to Google Drive. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this might take just a moment. Once it's uploaded, you'll see it appear in your Google Drive. Now that your Jupyter Notebook is in Google Drive, let's open it with Google Colab. This is where the magic happens. Locate the notebook file in your drive. You can either right-click on the file name or click on the three dots next to it. A context menu will pop up. From this menu, choose Open With, and then you'll see an option for Google Collaboratory. Click on that. In just a moment, the notebook will open in Google Colab. And there you go. You're all set to start working in your Jupyter Notebook right within Google Colab. Now, let me share a quick tip. If you don't see Google Collaboratory as an option when you open the menu, it might not be installed by default. In that case, simply go to the Connect More Apps link, which you'll find in that same Open With menu. Search for Google Collaboratory and click to install it. Once that's done, you can follow the steps again to open your notebook. And that's basically it. You've uploaded your Jupyter Notebook to Google Drive and opened it in Google Colab. This setup offers you the flexibility to work on your projects from any device, thanks to Google's cloud services. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel for more useful content like this. Remember, you can always come back to this video if you need a refresher on how to open your Google Colab notebooks from Google Drive. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.